नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आप सब कैसे हैं? Welcome back to another class of the Hindi tutorials. In the last two videos, we started to learn writing. We learned 4 consonants: n, m, r and s. We learned 3 vowels: a, and a. And we also learned how to write simple words. We did some reading practice, and at the end of the previous video, I gave you a small homework, which was: what is the meaning of the word ananas and how to write it? Well, ananas means pineapple. And to write ananas, we can break it into 4 letters: a, na, and s. Okay? Now we know how to write a, then na, and s. This makes it ananas. Okay? I hope you remember that the a sound in the last is not pronounced. I'm sure that if you have watched the previous 2 videos, this must have been a piece of cake for you. Today, we are back to learning the language. In the tutorial number 10, we learned that in Hindi, every noun has a gender. Today, we will learn how to write plurals. When we talk about conversion into plurals, words can be classified into different types. The first type of word that we are going to study is masculine words that end with an "a" sound. Some examples of such words are, listen carefully: ladka, which means boy; beta, which means son; bachcha, which means a male kid. ठीक है? लड़का, beta, bachcha. There are some more words that we have learnt in the previous lessons that end with the "a" sound, like kutta, darwaza, kela, juta, sikka. If you remember, kutta is dog, darwaza is door, kela is banana, juta is a shoe. I hope you remember this. Sikka is coin. Now the simple rule to make them plural is replacing the "a" sound with an "a" sound. Okay? Let me explain and write it for you again. I hope that you also remember numbers from 1 to 10 because we have studied that in tutorial number 5. Here we go. एक लड़का is 1 boy and 4 लड़के is 4 boys. एक बेटा is a son and 2 बेटे is 2 sons. एक बच्चा, a kid, 10 बच्चे is 10 kids. एक जूता is a shoe. 2 जूते is 2 shoes. एक केला is a banana and 6 केले is 6 bananas. एक कुत्ता is a dog and 8 कुत्ते is 8 dogs. You see, this is very simple and clear. The "a" sound converts into the "a" sound when the noun converts into plural. This happens only in the case of masculine words that end with an "a" sound. ठीक है? The second type of words are the words ending with any sound other than the "a" sound. ठीक है? If you remember, we have already studied all these words earlier: ghar, house; naam, name; desh, country; seb, apple; ped, tree; akash and asman, sky; guru, a guru. Okay. Dost and mitra, these are 2 new words for you. both of which mean friend, dost, mitra. Okay, these are the simplest words to convert into plural because they remain unchanged when converted into plural. So we can have ek ghar and do ghar, and ek desh or char desh, or ek seb or panch seb. It can be anything, but the form doesn't change. So it's the easiest. Okay. I hope that is very much clear. Now we'll move to feminine words. The next type of words is feminine words ending with the long vowel E. Okay, E. Listen carefully. Ladki is a girl. Beti is daughter. Bachchi is a female kid. Okay. And these words we have learned already. Khidki is a window. Billi is a cat. And gadi is a car. Okay, or a big vehicle. Okay. Now the rule to change them into plural is removing the long E sound and replacing it with a shorter E sound and adding ya. Billiya. This becomes ladki, ladkiyan. Okay, I'll write it again. Just a second. Now here you can see ek ladki is a girl and char ladkiyan is 4 girls. Ek beti, a daughter. Teen betiyan, 3 daughters. Ek bachchi, a kid. 9 bachchiyan, 9 kids. Ek khidki, a window. 2 khidkiyan, 2 windows. Ek billi, a cat. 7 billiyan, 7 cats. Ek gadi, a car. 10 gadiyan, 10 cars. Okay. So you see the pattern. All the feminine words ending with the long vowel E are converted into plural by this rule. Okay. Now the final set of words will be feminine words not ending with the long vowel E. So here we have the last set of words, feminine words that end with anything else apart from the E sound. We have 4 words here: kitab, pustak, zameen and diwar. Out of these 3 words are known to you, and diwar is a new word. Diwar means a wall. Okay. All these are feminine words and none of them end with an E sound. So the rule to make them plural is adding an A sound to it. A. Now I will write kitabein. Now it becomes plural. Pustakein, zameenein and diwarein. Kitab, kitabein. Pustak, pustakein. Zameen, zameenein. Diwar, diwarein. Okay. So that's all about conversion into plurals in the Hindi language. Till then, I suggest you to practice a lot, revise a lot, make notes. If you want to practice and do exercises regularly, you can like and follow my page fb.com/thehinditutorials. I keep uploading exercises for practice and some information about India, the culture and festivals. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye, namaste, phir milenge.